If you are working with .NET and building APIs, you have probably heard about minimal APIs, but what exactly are they and why you should care about them? Let me break it down for you in the next 2 minutes. Minimal APIs were introduced in .NET 6 as a simplified way to build HTTP APIs with minimal code and dependencies. Think of it as a lightweight alternatives to the traditional controller-based API approach. Instead of creating controllers, action methods, and all the MVC framework around that, you define your endpoints directly in program.cs file. It is designed to reduce the boilerplate and get you up and running faster. When minimal APIs were first launched, there were some limitations and they were not production ready. But the .NET team has added many new features with each release. Today, minimal APIs are absolutely production ready, and now they support filters, validations, and much more. In many cases, they can completely replace the traditional controller-based APIs and deliver better performance due to their reduced overhead. In order to show you a quick example here, I have this application that is using minimal APIs, and you can see I have added versioning there. We have multiple endpoints, we have models, DTOs, validations, and much more. The endpoints are organized in its individual files here, and we have a program.cs, but if you examine the endpoints, they will look different when you compare that with controller-based API. With traditional controllers, you create classes, attributes, and define action methods. With minimal APIs, we can write app.mapGet or the HTTP verb, and then directly the functionality that we want. No other complexity. Minimal APIs have matured into powerful production-ready option for .NET developers, and in my next video I will show you exactly when you should prefer minimal APIs versus controller-based API.